Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Moto G Stylus 5G charger is probably one of the most important accessories you'll need to keep your phone powered up and ready to go, and with so many options available, choosing the right one can be tricky. This video will guide you through the key factors to consider when selecting a charger for your Moto G Stylus 5G, ensuring you get the best charging experience possible and avoid any potential damage to your device. Number 5. Quick Charge 3.0 Charger Kit. This charger is compatible with many Android devices, including Samsung Galaxy and LG and Motorola phones. It ensures a wide range of users can benefit from fast and safe charging. It supports fast charging up to 18W, allowing you to charge your device up to 50% in just 30 minutes. That's 4 times faster than standard chargers. This charger has built-in safety features. It includes an IC chip and a fuse to protect against overcharging, overcurrent, and overheating, keeping your device safe. The durable nylon braided cable provides both fast charging and data transfer speeds up to 480 megabits per second. The 6-foot length gives you the freedom to use your device while it charges. Your purchase includes 2 fast charging wall chargers and 2 6-feet USB-C cables, plus access to our 24/7 customer support. We're here to help. What we like. It boasts impressive compatibility with numerous Android devices and supports Quick Charge 3.0 for rapid charging. Its safety features protect your device from overcharging and overheating. If you need a versatile and safe fast charger for various Android phones, this is the one for you. What people say. Does the job. Arrive on time, in good condition. Fills the void left by the phone supplier, no charger. They do charge the phones fast and I just leave the entertainment phone plugged in because it plays my music or movies while I am relaxing outside. When I got a new phone I had to change USB cables. They are well made and they charged my new A53 5G very quickly. Much faster than I had expected. Number 4. HopePow USB-C Fast Charging Cable. This cable is perfect for fast charging and data syncing. It's compatible with a wide range of Android and iPhone devices. With a built-in resistor, it delivers up to 5V3A, a 40% increase in speed compared to standard USB 2.0 cables. Enjoy quicker charging times. The nylon braided design and aluminum casing can withstand over 10,000 bends. It's built to last and tangle-free. It works with most USB-C devices, including Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, Motorola, LG, OnePlus, and iPhone models. Check the description for the full list. This 3-pack gives you extra cables for home, work, and travel. Share the convenience with family and friends. It's also a great gift. We're confident you'll love this cable. If you have any questions, contact us, and we'll respond within 24 hours. What we like. This charger offers fast charging and data syncing capabilities. The durable design ensures longevity, and the 3-pack provides convenience and sharing options. If you prioritize durability and need multiple cables, this is a great choice. What people say. Charges good, no problems. Cord seems sturdy and strong. They look nice, are well made, fit snugly in the socket. Strong charging cables packaged in a convenient pouch that can be stored anywhere. Number 3. AndHot 2-port USB-C charger. This charger is compatible with a wide range of devices, ensuring you always have the power you need. It's the perfect solution for keeping your devices charged and ready to go. It intelligently identifies your device and provides the optimal charging speed. Built-in safety features protect your devices from overcharging and overheating. Charge 2 devices simultaneously, saving you time and hassle. It's perfect for charging your phone and tablet at the same time. The included USB-C cable is reinforced with durable nylon fiber, resisting tangles and daily wear and tear. It's built to last. You'll receive a dual-port wall charger and a 6-foot USB-C cable. Everything you need to keep your devices powered up. It works with a huge variety of smartphones and tablets, including many popular brands like Samsung, Google, and Motorola. It's truly a universal solution. What we like. It features dual USB ports for simultaneous charging and a durable, tangle-free cable. This option provides fast charging speeds and added convenience. If you need to charge multiple devices at once and want a long-lasting cable, this is perfect for you. What people say. Great length. Great charge time. Love that you can charge two things at once. Hasn't frayed, twisted, or broken. Love the length of the cord as well. Hasn't overheated or burnt. Product works perfectly as hoped. Number 2. Moto G Fast Charger. This charger is designed for a variety of Moto G models and other compatible devices. It offers fast and safe charging, ensuring your device is always powered up. It charges your phone incredibly fast. Get to 50% in just 30 minutes, significantly faster than standard chargers. It's designed with safety in mind. Advanced features protect against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits, keeping your device and you safe. Its slim and lightweight design makes it perfect for travel. Take it with you wherever you go. 2 durable cables are included, giving you extra reach and convenience. They're built to last, withstanding thousands of uses. It's not just for Moto G phones. It works with a wide range of Android devices, including select Samsung and LG models. What we like. This charger supports Quick Charge 3.0 and delivers 18W fast charging. It includes multiple safety features to protect your device. If you want a fast and safe charging experience with a reliable charger, this is a great option. What people say. The power adapter and cable work great. Most importantly, they fast charge as advertised. Additionally, the USB-C end of the cable has a good, tight, secure fit with my phones. Nice long cords charges really quick. 2 charging units and long braided wires are included. I've been using one of these for several months and it charges a large smartphone in about 45 minutes. 50% charge in 15 minutes. It's excellent so far. Number 1. Motorola TurboPower 20 Charger. Experience the speed and convenience of fast charging with this powerful charger. It's designed for a wide range of Motorola devices and beyond. This charger is compatible with many Motorola phones, ensuring a quick and efficient charge every time. Say goodbye to low battery anxiety. It utilizes TurboPower technology for a fast and efficient charging experience. Get back to full power in no time. Its compact size makes it perfect for travel. Take it with you wherever you go and always stay connected. This charger is designed with built-in safety features to protect your device during charging. Enjoy peace of mind with every charge. We stand behind the quality of our product. Purchase with confidence knowing it's backed by a 2-year manufacturer's warranty. What we like. It's an original Motorola charger with TurboPower 20 technology for fast charging. It's compact and comes with a 2-year warranty. If you prefer a brand name charger with a warranty and fast charging, this is the one to choose. What people say. Charges my Motorola Edge 2022 very quickly and I love the 6-foot length. It works and charges in fast mode, 1.5 minutes per 1% of recharge. Charge fast in about 1 hour from 20% to 90%. For optimum battery health, you should never let a lithium-ion battery go below 20% and you should charge to a maximum of 80 to 85%. This will help preserve your battery for a much longer time. Great chargers. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.